Hi, I'm John. I'm an instructor and repair tech here at El Camino School of Music, Repair, and Technology. I have a couple quick tips today that can help you keep your guitar in better tune. First off, if you look at a tuner down here, you might see that your tuner's loose. Well, a way to fix that, most tuners here are 10 millimeter. You take a 10 millimeter socket and you tighten this down just like this. Not real tight, just snug. And that tightens that up. Right here, makes it real nice and tight. I also notice now that the actual key is very loose. So most keys here, take a Phillips head screwdriver. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver like this. Again, just snug it. You don't have to make it real tight. Okay. Nice and smooth. There you go. So anyway, that's your tip for today. We have more coming up. Please stay tuned. Go to our YouTube channel and check out some more things coming up. Thank you very much.
That was nice.